Once you've downloaded the Screencastify extension, you can always find it to the right of your address bar. In order to create your first video, it is shockingly easy. The first thing that we recommend is showing more options. From there, you can enable a countdown, which will give you a few seconds to get ready prior to the recording beginning. You can always enable our drawing tools and even record tab audio, which will include any audio emanating from this tab, including a YouTube video or anything else that you like your audience to be able to hear. Of course, you'll also have tons of options for personalizing your video, including your microphone audio, as well as embedding your webcam so that your audience can see you. Once all of these options are exactly the way that you'd like, you can go ahead and press record. You'll get a quick countdown, be able to see yourself on the bottom screen if you've selected embedding webcam. And you'll also be able to see our annotation tools, which will allow you to mark up the screen. So if you wanted to show people exactly how to get south here in Chicago, you can draw an arrow. And of course, use our eraser tool to get rid of it whenever you're ready. You can also embed your webcam and turn that on and off by simply clicking this button. Once you've done and finished your recording, you can pause it or stop it in order to end your recording and have it automatically saved to your Google Drive. That's it. You've created your first Screencastify recording.